I'm sorry, I just hear a chicken.
A few moments later.
Oh. Oh, whoa, 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 no, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, whatever you may be. My name is Enda, and welcome back to Sekiro Shadows Die Twice. I think I figured out how to upgrade skills. Yes, spirit emblems. So I do need those coins. So, unfortunately, since dogs don't drop them, I will need to chase down some people. How did he miss that completely? Bye-bye now. Nope, wrong button. There we go. Holding X. That's what I needed to do. And I do want to sneak up behind... where'd that other guy go? Oh, he's over there. He thought he saw something, but he didn't. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, that works too. Okay, there's a thing here. Ungo Sugar. Ungo Sugar, Maiden Senpo Temple. Sustaining Ungo's blessing temporarily reduces vitality damage taken from physical attacks. Bite the candy, take the Ungo stunts to impart its inhuman benediction. By doing so, you endure the excess karma of man from the spirits within. Senpo monks spread the candy across the Shina in honor of her military heroes. Interesting. So I am getting a bit of a history lesson on this land of Ashina. Aren't I? Ah, more pellets. Doop, 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 doop. So now I should be able to purchase a couple of upgrades. A small upgrade. Quick items, key items, upgrade materials, spirit emblem. Drifting white paper doll, feelings of remorse are not limited to the hearts of mankind. Such as sentiment may even manifest itself in fleeting illusionary form. Using certain actions, such as prosthetic tools, will consume spirit emblems. Oh right, those things. Travel, rest. Rest, I suppose. Huh. All I've done is reset everything. Sorry, dog. Not what I wanted to do. Options. Inventory. Upgrade materials. Well, whatever. Oh, I can do that mid-air. That was neat. So, I think I'm going to avoid that guy for now. Going to avoid that cluster that I got into over there. Oh, that's a lot of people. So, are you just solo? No, you're not. Oh. That's a problem. Okay, I'm gonna let them calm down before resurrecting. I guess they aren't going to calm down. Oh! Oh, if I let that sit too long, apparently I do die. Good to know. Yay, unseen aid. So, pulled way too much. Alrighty then, fistful of ash from a fire. I will take your coins. And okay. Careful. Careful. Don't want to fall off the cliff. Don't want to face that guy just yet. Okay, so where is the guy with the gun? He is over there somewhere. Hello, bird nest. Like coin purse, full of coins. Well, some coins anyway. Where is the guy with the gun? I thought it was up here, but I'm not sure anymore. Wait, there he is. There. Somehow I have a magnet of coins, but oh well. Ceramic shard, take that. So that guy is on alert.
I know.
Good night. Hopefully he doesn't notice me hanging right here. Doop 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 doop. Good night, my good man.
Listen.
I mean, theoretically, I should be able to take him down in one hit. That is an Apo. And he just vanished. Okay. Amiibo Possession Balloon. Amiibo balloon filled with the fountainhead water, imbued with the blessings of fortune. If one pops a vibrant green amiibo balloon and prays those its water splashes on will have a higher chance of obtaining items. Amiibo means aquatic life, or life born of the water. The Ashina consider the fountainhead water itself to be worthy of worship. Noted. Ah, there is a thing in here. Balloon of wealth. One pops the blah 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 blah. Yeah, literally what I just said. Interesting. So that one gives me coins. Oh, hello! Ow! Nope, nope, nope. Where's the sprint button? That's the sprint button. Oops. Alrighty then. And I was right, those are flintlocks. I'm sorry, what? Okay, these guys are gonna be pain to deal with. Gotta do them one at a time, I suppose. Good night! And good night, good sir. How did he just... Nope. Good night, good sir. And there was somebody else back this way. I think. I'm not sure. Because I'm being a bit more bloodthirsty, because being sneaky and stealthy just has not worked out very well, it seems. Okay, anybody else here? Nope, no secrets that way, it seems. What about it this way? That is a negative, although I can't... Theoretically, I could hide on that branch. Hello. Are you a friend or enemy? I believe I can talk to you.
Oh, Inosuke ka.
I don't believe so. Or is that me? I don't know. Say nothing?
なんじゃ、黙ってしもうて。腹でも痛いかの？そなたは昔から腹を下しやすかったな。
She's blind, I think.
まあよい。せがれよ。この鈴をそなたに託そう。若様のことを案じ。
I just hear a chicken.
作った守り鈴じゃ。この守り鈴を仏様にお供えしておくれ。
Sure, I can do that. Young Lord's bell charm, a bell charm received from an old woman who asked that it be offered to Buddha. Bell charms protect the holders through Buddha's divine protection. If one finds themselves the owner of another's bell charm, offering it to Buddha on their behalf is a common courtesy. The sculptor at the dilapidated temple can advise on how it should be offered. Alrighty then. I need to find the next sculptor's idol at this point. I swear to God, I heard that heard a chicken again. Am I gonna be attacked by chickens? God, I hope not. That'll give me flashbacks to Legend of Zelda. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 No! 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 No, 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 no. 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 Fucking no. What the hell? I didn't... No! Fucking no! Giant fucking chickens? I did not sign up for this shit! I did not sign up to deal with cassowaries! No thank you! You know there's a thing under there with... How do I even get to it? Especially with the giant chicken in the way. Giant chickens, we're not on... Sup, dude? You're alive. And you're blind.
そこにおるのか。その声。いや、まさかな。御神、我が名は野上猪之助。 平
Oh
田
shit!
家の老頭だっ
It's her
た。
kid!
どうかそこのあばら屋の
I just did.
老婆の様子見てやってくれぬか。私の母なのだが狂ってしまい、もはや誰が誰だか分かっておらぬ。
お主の母に会ったぞ。鈴をもらった。
そうか。礼を言う。
I feel like I did something out of order.
母はその鈴を
Why has the bell troubled
ず
her?
っと気にかけていた。
Is it cursed?
上ごとのように仏様に備えろと。
I guess now I need to give it to Buddha.
先ほどの御人か。
Yes.
母の相手をし、母はその鈴を上ごとの
Okay. So, I'm not gonna worry about. I'm not gonna mess with that freaking chicken at this point. No. Nope, no. Nope, 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 nope. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Because they have a cannon. And I'm not entirely sure on what to do about that. Okay, not they have a cannon. He has a cannon. I don't like that. Yep. It seems I can sneak to there mostly. So what's off this way? Okay, bunch of dudes. Oh, that was not what I wanted to do. And ceramic shards, okay. Not exactly what I wanted to do. So I have their attention now. Not exactly what I wanted to do. Oh hey, there's an item over there. So that's what's off this way. Careful, careful, careful. Catching sugar. The High Senpu priest gave this candy to a band of short but adept assassins. Suppresses sound and presence for a time, making the user harder to detect. Bite the candy and take the Gaichin stunts to impart the inhuman benediction. Interesting. So, how do I get out of Honestly, that guy seems like he's going to be a pain in the ass. Oh no! Holy crap. Hello again. I have unfinished business with you. Hey, I got a ceramic shard from him. Oh. Yep. Not exactly what I was after. Need him to calm down. And let's see if I can... Nope, not quite. Nope, nope. He can see me again. Nope. Hey. Okay, so if I stealth kill him, the cannon is no longer a problem. Gunpowder! Base. Black grains forming the base of gunpowder, material used in alchemical prosthetic tool upgrades, including those of an explosive and occultic nature. Even the most mundane form of gunpowder has a wide variety of purposes. Shiny. Hello, my man. Goodbye, my man! Oh, I almost missed that. Did he throw a rock at me? Yes, he did. Goodbye. Did you see that, my friend? I am magic. Nope. Now, this time I'm coming back. Unlike last time where I goofed up. Okay. Nope. I keep missing that. I almost missed that. Where is the next shrine? Yep. Ooh. That's a bonfire, all right. That's a Dark Souls style bonfire. Okay, more people, magic people, voodoo people. What else is that? Oh. Somebody saw. Oh, somebody still sees. Oh! Is that a pig? Well, as long as the pig stays right there. Oh, hello. Those are dead horses. What man? Those are horses. They are dead horses. Oh right, it's the pig. At least, wait, no, that's not a pig, that's... Nope! Nuh-uh! So, where is a... Where is a shrine? I need a shrine. I'm not seeing any shrines, that's the problem. That's not a shrine, that's not a shrine. That's a giant chicken that I don't want to mess with. As long as the chicken stays over there. Okay, that was a thing. I'm not sure what I just absorbed. Was it a soul? That damn chicken over there is just messing me up, man. Is that a goat? Is that a Wookiee? More pellets. That's nice. Fire. Fire. Interesting. There it is, it's over there. I don't see what they're talking about. I kind of don't want to see it. I don't think, anyway. Oh, that thing. Okay, I see it now. There we go. Okay. And I am going to travel to the dilapidated temple and see if I can upgrade anything. And while I haven't I've made some progress, I suppose. Okay, and where is the sculptor's in here, and so is she. Interesting. Okay. Who to talk to? Who to talk to? I'm gonna talk to him so that way I can handle the bell.
なんだ
お前さん、勘が戻ってきたようじゃな。
It has?
ちっとは忍びらしくなってきたように見える。
Is it because I've been killing people?
取っておきな。
Esoteric text, a book of secrets that details a variety of techniques employed by shinobi, grants the ability to learn shinobi-style skills. Within this text are the innermost secrets of shinobi art, such as attacks performed in the air and hiding one's body to avoid detection. Such moves could never be practiced by a samurai.
これは
忍びの技じゃ。侍には真似できぬ。忍びの戦う術が書いてある。
I just said that.
まあどうするかはお前さん次第よ。戦う術など忍びだけでもあるまいて。
Owning an esoteric text of a combat style will allow its skills to be acquired in the sculptor skill menu. Each enemy defeated provides skill experience points. Skill points are acquired once enough experience is gained, which can be spent to unlock skills. Some skills can be learned by obtaining items or defeating enemies. So what you're saying is I should have been killing this whole time.
お前さんも来たのか。にぎやかなこったい。
物資殿。
いらぬ心配よ。あいにくとまともじゃないんでな。竜がごときで死にはせん。
You keep saying that. I don't believe that. Let's see. Nothing I can use. Okay. Okay. Hello.
何をしている？
あなたですか。
What do you mean you
流
didn't
害の
notice?
調べのため、物資殿が吐いた血の塊をいただいていたのです。
血の塊。
はい。咳とともに出たものです。
That's what you just said.
わずかによどんでいるような。しかし、
Interesting.
これだけでは定かには。
できることはあるか？
流害にかかったものが吐いた血の塊。それがもっとあれば、より詳しい調べをできます。
流害にかかった者がいれば当たってみよう。
Hi, can I have your
お願いしま
blood?
す。
I don't have any gourd seeds.
では、また。
Okay, I'm gonna let's see. Oh, hey. Would you like to guard the bell?
目をつぶり、鈴の声を聞いてやるといい。
Very advanced prosthetic. Just saying.
その鈴の音が呼び覚ますじゃろ
Uh-huh.
う。眠っちまってる。
Uh-huh.
お前さんの古い記憶を。
Whose memories? Mine? Or the old woman's? Okay. Oh, okay. I get to play this memory. Okay. Yay! I can acquire skill points. That's what I wanted. New skills can be learned by spending skill points in this menu. Okay, noted. Ha, skill. Shinobis. Okay. Seems the only ones I have access to are shinobi arts right now. Combat arts, shinobi arts, and latent skills. Combat arts must be equipped to be used, but shinobi arts and latent skills are always in effect upon being acquired. Good to know. Okay, Whirlwind Slash. Spinning attack that can hit several enemies at once. The sharp cut combined with the force of the spin can strike multiple foes and deal damage even when guarded. When surrounded by enemies, this shinobi technique can open a path towards victory. Cut a counter. Enables one to counter enemy thrust attacks by stomping down on an enemy weapon, dealing a large amount of damage to posture. It is nearly impossible to perceive the speed of the thrust, but not for the sharp eyes of a shinobi. Interesting. This one I can buy. Yes! How do I use it? LB plus RB. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. And then midair deflection. Interesting. Maximum number of spirit elements. Good to know. Okay, let's check out this menu. I mean, not this menu, this memory. Combat arts are special attack skills based on the strength of the fighting style they belong to. They must be equipped in the equipment menu to be used and can be learned through skill menu or found in special esoteric texts. RBLB. Okay. Okay, equipment menu. Oh, I have to equip it. Right? Yes. Oh, that's neat. Okay, what am I doing in this memory? Actually, you know what? That's a question that will be answered next time. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell for notifications. And hopefully, I will see you all in the next video.